Hello everyone, in this video I will have the chance to talk to Dr. Parvin Zarrin. Dr. Zarrin is the founder of Bioquantum Academy. She holds a PhD in Integrative Medicine, a degree in Classic Homeopathic Medicine, Nutritional Sciences and Medical Aesthetics. She is the founder, leader, Canadian National Health Campaign and chairperson scientific advisor at Global Scientific Guild. I will ask her questions about the International Integrative Medicine Diploma and courses that are designated to her and offered by her in the Academy.
I just want to extend my appreciation and thanks to you for the wonderful introductions about my educational background, qualifications, and also the organization and establishments I have in Canada. So yes, I have been practicing for over 2 decades in Canada, and I've been treating patients around the world. And now I created new platforms called International Integrative Medicine Platform. My goal is to bring experts and doctors, researchers under one umbrella of integrative medicine in order to kind of collectively work together. And thank you so much for interviewing me today, Priya.
Thank you, Dr. Zarrin. Of course, as you said, you're the president and founder of the Quantum Academy, and of course, a world-renowned homeopathic and integrative medicine practitioner. Thank you again for taking the time. I'm going to start with the question. You're the supervisor of the Homeopathic Medicine Advanced Research Program, as it says on the Academy website, and is offered by the Academy. What set of knowledge and values can a present medical practitioner gain by taking the Homeopathic Medicine Advanced Research Program that you offer?
I just want to make sure that I understand your question correctly. When you say current medical practitioner, I am not sure what medical practitioner you're pinpointing to, but if the medical practitioners practically homeopathic medicine advanced research program is designed for homeopaths that they already have enough knowledge, sufficient knowledge on homeopathy, or they are currently practicing homeopathy. So, or it can be some practitioners that they are practicing different integrative modalities, but they are very interested in doing some research in homeopathic medicine. But definitely they have to have enough good level of knowledge about homeopathy in order to get into this advanced research program. So because the students are the candidates for this research, they required some prerequisite courses prior to starting this research. Even they are homeopaths, still depends on the topic of the research they're choosing. At least 4 modules, 4 courses they have to take in regards to homeopathic approach in order to be able to conduct the research. So I hope that I understood your questions and I somehow I answered. So yes, let me just elaborate a little bit more on this because in this research program, I'm the supervisor at the Bioquantum Academy and International Integrative Medicine. Whoever is joining the homeopathic research program, I am the supervisor and I am the educator. So because generally speaking, research is the most fundamental form of study and learning in any branch of science. For example, if a candidate wants to do research on immunity or autoimmunity, skin disorders, infertility, like mental disorders, cancer, autism, digestive issues, or whatever, with homeopathic medicine, they can, like, for example, I am the one who is directing them and assessing, evaluating what courses do they need prior to this research? Are they good candidates for this topic? I'm the one who's evaluating them because I don't want anybody to waste their time and investing on something but wasting it. So they should be good candidates, have the proper knowledge prior to entering and also during. So in homeopathic research, it can be done in two different forms. They can be done on a homeopathic medicines. For example, a group, somebody wants to conduct a study on hepatic liver issues, for example. They can create 3 groups of clinical study groups. And they can choose, for example, 3 different homeopathic medicine like Lycopodium, Chelidonium, or Nox vomica. And then at the end of the research, they can compare the results, collecting data and information, and they can write their thesis. And with comparison of these remedies and effect of these remedies on the conditions that they have researched on, and then they can come up with a conclusion in order to complete their research program, and they can obtain a research diploma from Bioquantum Academy.
Moving on to the next question. As you have stated in the Academy website, you have different courses in homeopathy that you are the lecturer yourself, including homotoxicology, homeopathic tissue salts, homeopathic organotherapy, and immunization. What can you say are the most important practical contents that are included in these courses that can be used by homeopath or healthcare professionals in practice?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's a great question. Thank you. You know that I'm a passionate homeopath. So yes, I'm in charge of homeopathic department at the Bioquantum Academy. Definitely, like any other modules that is created under International Integrative Medicine, it applies to homeopathic module as well. Homeopathic courses, no matter which one they take, they have to take 2 different courses, level 1 and level 2. So homeopathy level 1, it's mostly about the philosophy, history, concept, function, the homeopathic laws and principles, a kind of preparations, what is dilution, what is potentization, and the application of the homeopathic medicine. The hardest part of this modality is to understand it first. You have to understand homeopathy fundamentally because it's coming from different principles, especially for medical doctors or pharmacists or people that they have allopathic backgrounds. This is a challenge completely because it comes from the approach of anti-something. It comes to the approach of likes, cures, likes. So it's a kind of challenge to, I'm not saying it's a positive challenge, but I mean, without understanding the concept, philosophy, and function, and the laws and principles applied to all the preparations and also application of homeopathic medicine, there is no way that the candidates can go to level 2. So after this, which is almost 10 hours, and then they can go to homeopathic level 2. Homeopathic level 2, we're going to teach them how to take constitutional case taking and study Materia Medica. Materia Medica is the Bible of all homeopaths, and also teaching them how to use repertory, how to use case management, case analysis, what is the simillimum remedy, what is the potency applied to a specific condition, and also applications of homeopathic medicine in different situations, such as emergency situations, such as acute conditions, chronic cases, epidemic, pandemic. And based on that, then they can have a full understanding of homeopathic medicine in order to either go forward with the diploma or do the research.
Thank you so much. I think I asked such a general question that all the information just flew in. I hope, of course, anyone watching this can further read about the courses in the website and contact the Academy for more information. Thank you so much. For the next question, we know that, Doctor, you have many years of clinical experience in Canada, and we know that anti-aging seems to be one of your popular practices. So you also give the course in anti-aging. What are the main objectives of the anti-aging course for any candidate that wants to take it?
Okay, quantum anti-aging course is one of those in the designated courses again that I teach, but every single course goes towards the diploma program. So again, it all goes back to the candidate interest, what courses they want to take. For example, if they want to take for example, they want to obtain a homeopathic diploma, then definitely quantum anti-aging course is one of the option for them, because quantum is based on homeopathic medicine. So generally, answering to your question, the simple answer to this, what's the objectives of quantum anti-aging course? It's what's the objective of quantum anti-aging, in general. So everything can be, included in the course. The simple answer is quantum anti-aging means stop degeneration, stop human body degeneration, prevent aging, prevent weakening, dormancy, and eventually early or artificial death. So when we say anti-aging, it means anti-degeneration, anti-artificial disease. I just want to let you know that I'm not a big fan of anti-terminology in the world of medicine, such as anti-inflammatory, antibiotics, antiviral, and all this. But I chose quantum anti-aging because it more resonates with people than if I chose another terminology such as quantum regeneration. So quantum anti-aging means quantum regeneration, means regeneration of the human body at all levels and dimensions. I personally was dwelling between choosing between these two names, quantum anti-aging and quantum regeneration, but they are synonymous. But I had to sacrifice my choice over people easy understanding the concept. And I can say reluctantly chose quantum anti-aging because I'm not a big fan of this terminology. But again, I sacrificed and I chose it because I wanted everybody to understand what quantum regeneration is. So generally, quantum anti-aging means bring the body to start regeneration, start awakening, start renewal in order to prevent, reverse, and sometimes stop degeneration and aging. As I always say, growing old is not necessarily means aging. You can grow old but renew all the time. Your numbers are every single day, my number goes up. But every 4 months I test myself, I see that my regeneration is better than last year. So that's how you're bringing your body into the state of awakening and renewal. It means you're still growing old, but you can prevent aging, reverse aging, and sometimes stop aging, which I think I'm going to do it for myself. So quantum generally is a terminology for non-physical level of human body. And aging happens at the physical, mental, and emotional levels. So at this point, quantum anti-aging is for whom lives in the natural inner healing ability inside human body. So when bringing all these dimensions together into alignment and harmony, we can prevent continuous degeneration or aging, and we can guide the body, bring the body into the road of regeneration and awakening.
Moving on to the next question, we are all excited for launching the new program of the Academy called International Integrative Medicine Research Diploma. So as you said, it's gonna bring every course offered in the Academy under one umbrella. So that's one exciting news. So my question is, for who do you suggest this course and why?
International Integrative Medicine Research Advanced Diploma Program is for everybody, for whoever is practicing, integrative medicine, practicing homeopathy, naturopathy, nutrition, pharmacy, pharmaceuticals, whoever they want to do some research on something in the domain of natural medicine. So this is strictly about natural medicine. As you know, the research is the highest level of learning study, as it's a fundamental understanding of phenomena of health and disease can be obtained through research. I always say if the research program is like compare a research program with just the diploma program. It means diploma program, you're going to be educated by someone and data and information that is gathered by somebody. So we have done it, we do it, but research is something that you're collecting data, you're collecting informations, and you are the one who's going to download all this information by yourself. It's like you're going to a very exciting place. You have two options. Somebody's driving you to that place, or you want to drive. I personally never like somebody else to drive me, because the enjoyment of driving is something that I look forward to it. And it all goes back to the personality of leader type or followers, but both are getting to the destination one way or another. But the information that you obtained, you gathered, you downloaded, and this is it's the highest level of understanding. So this research program, I personally recommend it to all medical practitioners who would like to understand how integrative works on certain conditions, medical conditions, and on certain people. For example, I was a nutritionist, I was a homeopath, I was a weight loss counselor for years, and worked with I designed weight loss for people, I designed diet program for people. But after I became a homeopath, I did an intensive research on obesity and weight loss with homeopathic medicine. What I learned through my personal research was astonishing compared to what I learned through books only, which is done by the others. So they both have advantages for us. Definitely a lot of textbooks around me, I use them because I know they have done thorough research, and I use their knowledge, their information. But the satisfaction, it's a lifetime joy and satisfaction you get when you gather your information in order to get to your goal and destination.